Shorty! Yo, welcome back to another video. Today's video, guys, we are gonna be checking out the new product because we're gonna be maybe like an upgrade. I'm not sure if it's an upgrade. It's more like an aesthetic upgrade to our bike winter. So we got the package yesterday and you can hear what it is. Maybe you guys already know what it is, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. We're gonna be changing the mirrors on the bike to a bar and side mirrors. I've seen a lot of people do this on their Sniper, and we're gonna do that to winter right now, guys. We're gonna upgrade the side mirrors or change the side mirrors. I don't know if it's a real upgrade, but an upgrade aesthetic wise. So let's go ahead and change the mirrors. But before that, let's open the package and see what's inside. This is the MVR1 bar and side mirrors, guys, and let's see how it looks like. Also, this video is not gonna be that long, so I might as well insert the clip that we went to Anda. Me and Kimmy went to Anda. Like, we had a little video when we did a little free diving, so I'll insert that clip now. I hope you guys enjoy. So, as you guys might have seen, we are in a different setting or different location. We are here at Anda right now. Together with my friends up there. We're gonna go free diving again, so you guys won't be tired with the free diving videos. Yo, it's really cold. Tugnaw, guys. Look at the water, it's beautiful. We're gonna pick you guys back up later. We're gonna get sorted out, and yeah, we're gonna go see some sea turtles. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. So now that you guys see that, I hope you guys enjoyed our little sequence in Anda. Now let's go ahead and open the package. So, I hope you guys can see me better. Let's open the package. I need to put you guys higher. How about that? Is that better now? Oh, it's my alarm. I'm about to head out to work actually, guys. So, be right back. Let me turn off my alarm. I'm back. I just turned off my alarm. No. Hi, Kaya Cardo. So this is the box. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, I did not plan this unboxing. I just got this package like yesterday. when I got back from work, and I'm really excited to change it. The mirrors, it will look so much better. This is I'm not really good at this, guys. Hey, I heard that this is a pretty well-known brand for side mirrors. So I ordered this in Lazada, the MVR1 bar and side mirrors, for 600 pesos online, but then there was a shipping fee, so it cost around 830. Oh, hello, side mirrors. So this is the new bar and side mirrors. I think you put it like that, right? Yeah. So it looks like it's all metal and it's heavy. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. This is how it looks like. Let's go ahead and check out the stock mirrors on the bike and let's change it. I'm gonna cut. Let's go. And here is winter, guys. Winter looks really what is that? All dirty. It has been raining for a few days straight now here in Ball. Anyways, this is how the side mirror looks like. This is protruding outside, and you can see that it looks like a big ass ear. Bruh. There and there. So we're gonna change that on winter. We're gonna remove that and change it to the bar and side mirrors, and hopefully it's gonna look good. I have no clue in how to install this. There is no signs on how to do this, but I assume you just put this here inside of this one. So let's start working, guys. I need to borrow a tool from my uncle's. Hello, good morning. Wow, nag-vlog dahil ko, guys. I'm about to ask Uncle, I need to borrow some tools. Uncle, ini. Wow, mo ko adjustable na? Adjustable? Oo. Si Bodoy? Hi, sa diha. Saan yung gwapong uncle di mo tanaw eh? Boy! Yo, yo, yo! So, we got this. Time to take up the side mirror with this big ass tool. So, let's roll the montage, guys. So remember when I said I did not prepare for this? How do I take this out, guys? You can see there's like a little thing there, and apparently I have to put, where was that? Bruh. Where did I put that whole assembly? I'm not good at this stuff, bro. This is so heavy. The stock ones are so heavy. I can't proceed with the procedure because I have to do more research, guys. I have to put this over here, but that won't fit, so I have to take that out, and I have to search how to take this out because I have no clue. And the other side as well, this was on, so yeah, I'm stuck. I have to, you know, rethink this, so we'll continue this tomorrow because I have to go to work. I'm late, and yeah, for me it's tomorrow. For you guys it will just take like a second, so let's go. So guys, it's the next day, and I actually did a little research on how to install this bar and side mirrors. Yes, we just need to take this out again, and we'll see how it goes from there. I moved the bike out here so that I can work on it better. So what we need to do is take this out first and use a flathead screwdriver to pry the thing inside. I'll show you. Okay, about to go. Oop, I dropped it. Bruh. Anyways, what we need to do is, as you can see, there's clips there that we need to take out with our flat end screwdriver. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna roll the B-roll on this so that you guys can, you know, fast forward through all this process. Let's go. So guys, it's already late at night, so I'm just gonna continue working on the bar and side mirrors. I had to stop earlier because, you know, it wasn't going as planned, so I had to do more research. Now we're about to finish. We already placed the adapters in. We're gonna change the bar and side mirrors, and hopefully it's gonna look good. It's late and it's dark. I hope you guys can still see the video. Let's work on it, and
So what we need to do now is actually just put on the side mirrors. I already placed the adapters in, and hopefully it's gonna look good. Alright, so we're back, and with the power of time lapse, we are able to finish or successfully applied the bar and side mirrors. So this is how it looks like. It looks way cleaner, in my opinion. But yeah, I had to do some adjustment, guys. You guys have to watch out when you guys are trying to add this bar and side mirror. You have to adjust it so that this doesn't hit the clutch lever. And that's what I found out earlier. So as you can see, yep, just try to miss this one so that you can, you know, successfully use the clutch. And I did the same angle for this one just to match it. And yeah, I had to leave a little gap and adding this side so that you can turn the gas lever. But so far it's a success, guys. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do a little b-roll in the morning so that you guys can see how the bar and side mirror looks like on the bike. Time to buy a new side mirror cap. What you call that? Side mirror cap? Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe down below if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.